What's up, guys? So today I'm gonna be installing some door handles that I received as a gift, and I got them for like Christmas, but I'm finally getting around to actually installing them. And so yeah, here they are. These are the door handles. You can see that they're slotted, and they're pretty easy to install. It's just going to be a couple screws. I'll show you guys how to install them for the ones that don't know how, and it just makes a quick little video. So the door handles I got were these drilled door handles from Condor Speed Shop. They're like a little bit over $45. So I mean, they're pretty cheap. They look nice. So if you lift up the door handle, you can see one of the screws right here, and then the other one's gonna be on the other side. So 2 Phillips screws, and then this door handle should come off. Alright guys, so this is with the door handle removed. As you guys can see, there's where the 2 screws should be, 1 and 2, and yeah, time to install the new door handle. So one thing I've encountered was that, so this is the original door handle. You see these stops right here? They're a little bit more flat than this one on the new door handle. So this one sticks out a little bit further, which doesn't allow the little screws to line up to the new one. So I'm just gonna get like something to like kind of like make this go up a little bit higher. Maybe pry something in there so it can kind of go like this, so the holes can line up easier. So I'm just gonna get this rag and a flathead screwdriver and kind of just pry it in there to make this pop out a little bit more. I'm just gonna move it to the other side. Line up this one. Alright guys, so there's the new door handle. It's just like a regular door handle with some slots in there. I mean, it's nothing special, but it's just an eye candy. It catches your eye when you look at this, or when you're about to open the door, you're like, what the fuck is this? So I mean I think it looks cool. Opens, close. But yeah, I just need to do the other side and then I'll be done. Alright guys, so that's pretty much the video. It's a super fast, super easy install. It takes like maybe a couple minutes to do. And I know they make other door handles. They make some like motorsport door handles. They make some M-Tech door handles and obviously these slotted door handles. But I mean, they were a gift, and I appreciate the person that gave me these door handles. So it makes another video for the channel, a little quick easy install to whoever wants to do or get some door handles. But yeah, that's the video, and thank you guys for watching. Later.